Solution for our example 1. Solution. Whatever given for this ma. First one, population of Russia. So what is the population of Russia? 14 crore 39 lakh. 14 crore 39 lakh 64,709. Next, population of Mexico. So what is the population of Mexico? 13 crore 7 lakh 59,074. Okay, va? Next, population of USA. What is given here? 32 crore 67 lakh 66,748. This is our given. Okay, population of Russia, Mexico and USA. Next, to find whatever we have to find, we have to find the population of Russia and Mexico. So here you have to add the Russia and Mexico. Okay, 14 crore 39 lakh 64,704 plus 13 crore 7 lakh 59,074. Next, we have to write this in the column wise and then we move to add. Okay, here all the numbers are, first of all we have to write from where ma? From ones place. So 4 0 7 4 6 9 3 4 1. Okay, next number 4. Once in ones column we have to write the same 4 7 0 9 5 7 0 3 1. Now we are going to add. How start the addition? 4 plus 4 8, 0 plus 7 7, 7 plus 0 7, 4 plus 9 how much ma? 13. So you cancel the 13 here, put 3 here, balance 1. 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 5 how much? 12. So put 2 here, balance 1. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 7 17. So 7 balance 1. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 0 4, 4 plus 3 7, 1 plus 1 2. Now we got the answer. What is our answer? 27 crore 47 lakhs 23,778. Here you have to write both the addends and then get the answer, which is your sum. So this is your population of Russia and Mexico together. So whatever you got here, write in your this place. What is the answer you have got it here? 27 crore 47 lakh 23,783. Let me write this. So this is the population of Russia and Mexico. Now we have to compare these two. What is this? Population of USA and population of Russia and Mexico. So find which is greater ma. In the crore place here you have 32. Okay. Here you have 27. So absolutely which is greater? Population of USA is greater. So now we going to write population of USA is more than the population of Russia and Mexico together, taken together. Okay. Now this is your answer, and which is, what is this? Population of USA is more than the population of Russia and Mexico taken together. Look at this. Population of USA is 32 crores and something, but population of Russia and Mexico is 27 crores 47 lakh 23,783. So first of all you look at this crore place, here 32, here 27. So we know that absolutely 32 is greater. So population of USA is greater than the population of Russia and Mexico. Next, subtraction. When a number called subtractand is subtracted from another number called minuend, the result is called their difference. So what is subtraction means? Here you have two numbers. Always subtraction you have two numbers only. First number. So what the number you have to subtracted is taken as subtractand. This is your subtractand. Look at this. When a number called subtractand, this is your subtractand, is subtracted from another number. So where it is from subtracted? From this number you have to subtract this number. So this number is said to be minuend. So This is your first number and this is called minuend, and the second number is subtractand. You get the answer. What the answer you get? First you have to subtract this. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Can you subtract 1 from this 0? No. So this time you get borrow from this 0, get borrow from this 4. So this 4 become 3 and this 0 become 10. Okay. Now subtract 10 minus 1, 9. 3 minus 3, how much ma? 0. Okay. We already studied how to check this subtraction in our previous class. Previous class means 4th standard. Now we are going to check. Sorry, before that we get the answer. This answer is said to be difference. What is this ma? Difference. Okay. Now we are going to add this difference and subtract 10. Then you get the minuend. Look at this. We want to check this number. So first of all you write this ones, tens, 100, 1000. Next, first of all you want to write the difference. What is the difference ma? 911. So you write from ones place. 1, 1, 9, 0. This is your what ma? Difference. Okay. D mention difference. And next you want to write the subtractand. Subtractand. What is your subtractand? 2, 1, 1, 3. This is your subtractand. Yes, denote subtractand. D difference. M minuend. Okay. We want to add 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 9 plus 1, 10. For this 10 you have to put 0. Balance remaining 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 3, 4. So look at your answer ma here 4023. And check your minuend here. What is given here? 4023. Now we got our answer, which is the minuend. So our subtraction is correct. Okay ma? In page number 35, self practice for third problem, AFK, CHM, EJO, and fourth problem, write true or false for the following, which is B, C, D, E, F, G. Write these SEMs in your homework note. And page number 39, quick assessment, self practice 5A. In quick assessment 1 and 2 and self practice 5A, first sum and third sum. Both the sums you have to finish in your book. For which sum? Quick assessment 1, 2 and self practice 5A, first sum you have to write in your book, and the third sum you have to write it in your max homework note. You have to check this answer also with the help of addition. Thank you students. We will meet in our next class on Wednesday. Please do your homework.